EPL love challenges, and we're often getting our customers coming to us with things that are sort of slightly outside of the box, and that's what we thrive on.
B&D is a local manufacturer of garage doors. We distribute to our network of 65 dealers nationwide. We manufacture custom garage doors, and we also sell openers and accessories.
We actually make a range of products for B&D Doors. The biggest volume product is the bottom door seal. Ryan approached me several months ago and said he's looking at ways of cutting down waste within his factory.
So up until that point, the weather seal was co-extruded, that came as one piece. We were having another problem with how that interacted with our packaging, and we were having to replace around 80 panels per year.
Sustainability is sort of forefront in our minds all the time. So one of those ways that we came up with was to recycle and reuse the offcuts that they use for the doors.
With their help, we're able to separate the two components to be able to avoid the remake of panels. A benefit of that is also that they can be recycled.
These are the two components that we're manufacturing for B&D Doors. There's obviously the rigid contoured section which fits into the bottom of the door, and the flexible section obviously now supplied on a roll.
So the offcuts from the rigid PVC section, they come back to EPL. We put it through a very rigorous system of quality control, ensuring that there's no contamination in the return goods. And we re-granulate them and put them back into fresh product that we make for them.
Yeah, we've got quite a unique skill set here at EPL in terms of our technical and development capability.
The advantages of that from the customer's point of view is that they get a product at the end of the day that is fit for purpose. Like the one on this door behind me here, that particular profile has gone through a number of changes to get it to where it is now.
They're able to produce samples really quickly so that we're able to test certain solutions, and we may find that they don't work, and that's okay, and then we can move on to finding the next solution that will work for us. That's a good process to go through because we know we've ended up with the best product possible.
At EPL, we're going to be making more of these types of products for our customers that focus more on the return, reuse, recycle, and aid the circular economy of the whole plastics industry.